that I perform is a mix of self-written tunes and some of my favourite trad tunes. Like tonight there will be a couple of my favourite oldest tunes. In fact, there's a bit of discussion about whether it's Out in the Ocean, which is my favourite tune ever, whether it's Scottish or Irish. I'll play it in A, so that makes it very Scottish, of course. But yeah, there's a real mix of influences there. And in terms of songs and stuff, I like a song that tells a story, and I like the element of stagecraft that is connecting with an audience through storytelling.
Now here's a question for you. Are you a singing crowd? Will you join in if I teach you a chorus?
For a long time, I was solely an instrumentalist. I didn't sing, or I guess I would play with a lot of singers, but it wasn't me that was doing it. And it's a fairly new thing to me to be doing solo shows, just since my solo album, Two Down, came out just over a year ago. So this getting used to being by yourself on stage, I love it.
A postcard's how I choose to say I miss your face. By the way, you owe me a pint. Thanks for writing. I got your note, the one you wrote to say hello. Thanks for writing. One of the things I like the most is getting letters in the post. To the people of whom I'm most fond, I reply on Basildon Bond. That's the fancy paper with the watermark. It's expensive, but it's a nice touch. Thanks for writing, I got your note, the one you wrote to say hello. Thanks for writing, I got your note, the one you wrote to say hello. You're not alone.
I live in Glasgow now. I moved down for university over 20 years ago, so it's just a temporary thing. But I'm originally from the Highlands, and we lived up in the very far northwest of Scotland when I was really wee. Dad played in ceilidh bands and stuff, so the crack was he would go out and play, and my mum and I would go and I would learn the dances and kind of learnt the tunes almost by osmosis there, and played around the session scenes in Inverness when I was a kid, and then discovered the music scene in Glasgow when I was a student, and I'm still there. I love it. It's a really vibrant, thriving place, but I'm still very much a Highlander at heart. I haven't lost the accent. I haven't become a Ouija like that.